Little boy.
He's over here.
Oh, he's over here?
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You are so cute. Trying to stay enough away from him that I can show what he does. He's either too far away or too close. Yeah. What a sweet boy.